Hi everyone, my name is Rajiv. Welcome back. And today we finally got delivery of our Lumevo lights. This is the X1. It comes in two models, X1 and X2. The X2 comes with two light modules in each light. The X1 is a single light module. This is 50 watts, supposed to be 10,000 lumens. It comes with a high beam and a low beam. So you can either use low or high, or you can use both together. When you order the lights, there is a choice that you get. You can either choose a low beam yellow and a high beam white, or you can choose a low beam white and a high beam white. Right, so I have gone with the low and high white because that's what I wanted. I didn't want to go in for a yellow beam. So let's not waste any further time and let's get into unboxing the lights and see how they are. All right, so this is what came in the package: your lights, your harness, and your switch. So let's start off with opening each box and see the contents. Whoa, okay, this is metal and it is extremely good quality. That's for the first beam, the second beam, and then you can toggle for both. It's not plastic, it's metal. And this is the connector. Okay, it reminds me of my gold runway lights that I have. So you plug it in and then you turn this, it's a complete waterproof seal. These are the mounts, so mount it on a handlebar, or you can mount it on your mirror as well, along with the relevant hardware. Man, this is really good quality. Yeah. I mean, I've used Mad Dogs as well. The harness is also pretty good, very nice. But this is also great. Okay, you've got thank you card, a lot of stickers. I think you should keep this, and your warranty card. So this is again, you need to scan your warranty, the QR code for your warranty. You got a keychain as well. Damn, look at these lights. Now you know why I ordered them. They are actually so small. Look at the size. Now, just for reference, this is your standard 91mm Victorinox knife, and this is the light. Check this out. Without exaggeration, guys. This is why I ordered. I wanted something very small. Okay, that's light number one. Light number two, completely metal, comes with the same connectors. All right, so this again, these are the modules that go into the lights, and then they further go into the wiring harness. So you've got two of these as well, all metal. Damn good, man. All right, so this is a comparison of the size of the light with a AA battery. This is your standard AA battery. This is the light. Look at it. Where we've installed the switch. Okay, the lights have finally been installed, and this is how it looks. It's super compact. It's the size of a AA cell in length. We still need to set the beam, so once it gets a bit dark, we'll take the bike out, set the beam, and I'll show you how the throw looks on the road. Okay, let's try and look for a dark place where we can test our lights. It's a bit difficult finding a dark place over here, but मिल जाएगा. मेहनत करने पे सब मिल जाएगा. Okay, I think we should take a right over here. This place looks nice and dark for us to test our lights, so I think this will do. So this is a stock low beam. It's pretty decent for the city, it's not bad. And this is our high beam. It's narrow, but it goes nice and far. Right time to check out the Lumevo low beam and high beam. That's the low beam. It's nice and concentrated. I have it angled inside. I'm going to move it slightly outside when we go on the highways. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is so that oncoming traffic is not affected. That's the high beam. It was nice and far. Nice and far. Let's look at both together now. That's the low beam and the high beam together. It gives fantastic coverage and it's very, very concentrated, So the optics of the light do the magic of concentrating the light. Look at the high beam. I'm very happy with the purchase. I mean, 7779 for this was spot on. Okay, there are people here, so let's shift to the low beam. That's the low beam. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, ride hard, ride safe, but don't be a squid. There is someone waiting for you at home. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Signing off.